So hello friends, welcome back, and in this video we are going to see problem C, okay, which is game on leaves. It was basically a graph simple question, and the round is 646. So as usual, first of all I will explain the problem statement, what the problem says, and after that we will move on to the intuition and then the solution. Yeah. So first of all, it says that there are two players, okay, Ayush and Ashish. So we will be having a tree, okay. Suppose tree is something like this. Let's make a tree. So at every chance, which means for the every iteration, the person starting off with Ayush, the person will choose for the leaf node and will remove the leaf node. Okay. Now I will be having n, which means the number of nodes, or you can say the nodes from 1 to n. Then I will be having a value x, which means the node I need to reach. I need to reach the node this, and the person who reaches the node x first wins. The person who reaches the node x first wins. Now, so if Ayush started, so Ayush will remove the node one leaf node. So the person whose chance is this, he will remove one leaf node out of this graph, or you can say out of this tree. So Ayush will remove this leaf node, then Ashish will remove any leaf node, okay, and the person who is removing a leaf node, let's suppose my x is value this. So the one who obtained this value first wins. So Ashish and Ayush will play optimally so that they have maximum chances of winning. So now you will say, Aryan, okay, so if my root node was the node which I wanted to reach, so if Ayush opted to, so why first of all Ayush will opt to move here. So I will say, see, first of all, if Ayush opted to move here, okay, if Ayush opted to move here, then it will remove, so it will remove, so it will be remaining. Now, okay, it has no problem up till now, because but it might happen that if it was not here basically, then it would have become a leaf node after this removal, so Ayush might have lost. But actually, so Ayush will basically choose anything like this so that he wins. Now let's take some cases, and then from these cases we will check. uh, okay, let me extend it a bit. So from these cases we will check how to approach it. So the first case I had, okay, number of cases here are one, and the number of nodes here are 3, and the value of x is 1. So if the nodes are 3, and the next n minus 1 lines indicates the tree, how the tree will be made. So it will be made like this: 2 1 3 1. Okay, so 2 is attached to 1 and 3 is attached to 1. Okay, now 1, so I need to reach 1, so I need to reach this one. So as you can see that first of all, Ayush, we have Ayush as the first turn, so Ayush can either remove the 2 or 3. So either of them, if he will remove either of them, he will lose, because if he removes 2, then the remaining tree will be something like this. And as you can see that 1 and 2 both are leaf nodes, so Ashish will pick any of that, which means Ashish will pick 1 and he will win. So Ashish is the winner if I choose 2 as starting for Ayush. But what if it is 2 and Ayush opted to choose for this? So it will be finished. Then my remaining graph, or you can say tree, it will have 1 and 2. So still Ashish will opt for 1 because 1 is a leaf node now, and Ashish will win. So Ashish still wins if my 1 is a leaf node. Now let's take another example. So The example is 1, 3 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 3. So number of nodes are 3 and the value of x, it will be 2. So I will make a graph first of all. So 1 is attached with 2 and 1 is attached with 3. So what I will do, I need to reach 2. I need to reach basically I need to reach 2. So as you can clearly see that first turn is of Ayush, and Ayush saw that the node 2 is a leaf node. So no worries, he will just opt for the node 2 and I will have my winner as Ayush because it opted for the node 2 and node 2 was a leaf node. Okay, so it was a very basic example. Let's take one big example so as to check like what to do. So I will basically make my graph. I will not write the graph, nodes and all these. I will basically make the graph. Suppose the graph is something like this. 1 is here and 2 is here and 3 is here and 8 is here and 9 is here and suppose 10 is here, 4 is here, 5 is here, okay, 6 is here, 7 is here. So if I make something like this and I wanted my 3 as the special node, okay, so the one person who reached the 3 first, so it will win. So let me remind of a small game which we used to play when we were young. So have you ever played the game like this in which I have the dots here and I need to make a square out of it, okay, and the person who makes the square first with these lines, because in one step you need to draw a line, and at any step when you draw these lines and the square is made, you write the name of yours in the square box. So the strategy which we used to play this game, the same strategy will be used here. Now how the strategy used to play, you might have never thought that you used to play like this. You used to play like this, that you need to opt for, suppose the area here is empty, so you used to mark your line at here, so the next player will mark his line at here, next player will mark his line at here, because he know that the risk of making others happy, it will be less if I mark my lines at places where it will not affect. But if in future when my square is being made, suppose it will become something like this, so very sure that the player first of all, it will mark his lines in the empty places, in these empty places, because he know that by marking my lines in the empty places, I will never I will never have a mistake that it might happen in future, that it might help other opponent. So from this I can first of all say that I will mark my nodes at a places far away. I will remove my nodes at a places far away, so that in future when I reach very close to the node, the special node, then I will think when I will reach very close. But for now, let's remove the far node, because see, you will say, okay Aryan, but why to think of like that? See, I will give example. See, if Ayush remove this node, okay, so it is gone. Now if Ashish remove the node which is here, so why he is mad that he will remove a node here? Okay, but if you will say, okay, so you will say, but Aryan, see 1 and 9 are here, so why to think over it? Okay, so if I see that, if let's suppose 1 was not here, then if Ashish would have removed this 8, then Ayush would have chosen this special node in the next try and Ayush might have win. But as you can see clearly that Ashish has ample of leaf nodes here available. So why he will choose the leaf node which was here, which can make Ayush win? So Ashish will not choose any node such like that. So from this it is very clear that if my graph is something like this, then I will choose the leaf nodes which are very far away, so that at a stage it will reach the special node, then I will think what to do. So as you can see that I said I will choose the leaf nodes which are very far away. it means that I have to remake this graph something like that. I know that which node is at most far away. So I will remake this graph. Now let's see how I am remaking this graph. So 3 is my special node. So I make it as a root node. Then I remake this graph. So I will write 1 here, then I will write 2 here, then 4 here, then 5 here. Now I will scroll it afterwards, but now write 8 here, and 9 here. Okay, sorry, 9 is attached to this. Yeah, 9 is attached to 8 basically. Yeah, it was attached to, okay, let's suppose it is attached to 9. So it is attached to this. So let me scroll it a bit, and my 5 is attached with 6 and it is attached with 7. So as you can clearly see that I made my graph again, and what happened now is that it is my root node, which is a special node, and its level is 0, this and this. Its level is 1, this and this. Its level is 2, its level is 3, its level is 4. So I basically know that at each step what are my levels. So how many nodes are at my, suppose, these levels. So now you will say, Aryan, how it will help me? So see, if I know that, as I spoke, that I will first of all remove the farthest node, which means, because see, I will remove the farthest leaves, because ultimately it will not affect me in the answer. So Ayush will remove this. Why it is not changed? Yeah, Ayush will remove this, Ashish will remove this, Ayush will remove this, Ashish will remove this. Then you have these two, so Ayush will remove this, Ashish will remove this. Now I am at the level, sorry, it is the level 1, it is level 2, it is level 3, it is level 4, it is level 5, and the first one is level 0. Now after level 2 I need to think, okay Aryan, now I need to think that if I remove this, because see, at level 1 there are many things. It might happen that at level 1 I had something like this. Okay, so if I had something like this, and if I remove this, understanding, if I have something, first of all, the first thing is that, let me say, the first thing is that if I had only one node, so my Ayush will always win, because he will opt for it, because it is a leaf node. But if I had nodes, yeah, okay, so if I have node like this, then also I will opt for Ayush as the winner, because here also Ayush will win. But if I have something like this, then you will say that if my, at level 1, if my number of nodes are 1, it means that it indicates that the root has only one child. So if my root has only one child, so my root is a leaf node. So if my root is a leaf node, so Ayush will always win. So these are two base conditions that my Ayush will always win, which means if my level 1 has 0 nodes, so my Ayush will always win. If my level 1 has 1 nodes, so my Ayush will always win. Now let's take the condition which I told you here. So let me erase it. Yeah, so as you can see that, yeah, as you can see that at the condition this, if I have something like this, so as you can see up till now Ashish has played, so now it's the Ayush will play it. So if Ayush will play it, then Ayush has to remove one. Okay, so if Ayush will remove this, now it is Ashish's turn. So Ashish will have to remove one of them, because see, he has to remove a leaf node at any step. So it will remove this, Ashish. Now as you can see, the remaining graph is this and this. Now Ayush will opt for this, and by this I can say that Ayush will win. So as you can clearly see that as I walked you through the approach, you will clearly understand that at each level I must know that how many number of nodes are at each level. So I know that at level 1 I have 3 nodes. I know at level 2 I have 2 nodes. At level 3 I had 1 node. At level 4 I had 1 node. At level 5 I had 2 nodes. So with the help of this, see, with the before my level 1 I will check, because of level 2, 3, 4 up till the nth level I will check that the how many number of nodes are here, which are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 nodes are here. So if Ayush will start, then after these 6, the number of nodes, the 7th iteration, at the 7th iteration the chance will be of Ayush, as you can clearly see that as I showed you here also, because after these 6 iterations, because Ayush, because how they will go through Ayush, then Ashish, then Ashish, then Ayush, then Ashish, then Ayush, then Ashish. So these are 6. Then after that it will be Ayush option to play. Now after these I am available, because see, after these 6, because after from level 2 to up to the max level I had checked that at level 1 I have whose chance. Now at level 1 I know that I have Ayush chance. So if I know that I have Ayush chance, by the same method as I showed you here, that by even and odd I will check that if Ayush will opt for this, because see, if my one node is remaining at the level 1, then I have to basically remove these 2 nodes, because as you can see that I only removed, suppose the number of nodes at the level 1 was 3, so I just need to remove the nodes which are 2, because after that I will obtain my root node as a leaf node, understanding? So I just need to remove my number of nodes which are number of nodes in the level 1 minus 1, level 1 number of nodes in level 1 minus 1. I need to remove these number of nodes. So if I want to remove these number of nodes, then I will obtain this, I will use the same formula, which is how many, like even or odd, then whose chance will be there, and if it is Ayush chance, so Ayush will win, and if it is the Ashish chance, so Ashish will win. So the final thing which I need to say is that the final intuition for this problem was I just need to store the level of each node, or you can basically say that number of nodes at each level. I need to basically store this, the number of nodes at each level, and if I know that the number of nodes at each level, so I will run a loop from first of all from my for int I is equals to max level to I is more than equal to 2, because I need to say, because as I showed you that for level 0 and level 1 I have my special condition, because for level 1 I will iterate it specially, and for level 0 I need to say that yeah, if it has only one node, then my Ayush will always be winner. So for max level to level 2 I will run a loop, and from that I will check at that particular stage whose chance will be next, at the level 1 whose chance will be next. Now for the remaining thing, which means that for the level 1 I will have my special check, which means I will check if number of nodes at level 1 minus 1, if it is odd or even, from that I will check who will be the winner, Ayush or Ashish. So the whole intuition was to check number of nodes at every level, and starting off with the last level, and to specially check the condition at level 1, because at level 1 and level 0 you will have a slight bit, you might have to slight bit think of that condition. Yeah, so I thought that I was able to explain you everything for this code. So very quickly you can see the code, although you can make the code shorter, but I wrote it because I was having the wrong answer in the first place, so I thought to wrote more conditions. But yeah, I am clearly seeing that you can make the code much shorter. So yeah, first of all, the first thing, that this parent was not required, although I made it, but it was not required, so you can skip that. But yeah, I wrote it. So first of all, to mark my level of every node, I have my DFS function. But okay, let's start from the main function. So I had my t number of cases, then I had my nnx, which means the number of nodes and the special node. Then you can say I memset my everything as 0, because for each case it will be, it should be 0. Then I also cleared my vector. Then I input my nodes in the vector, which as usual as you do in the graph. Then I run my DFS to update my levels of each node. So as you can see that in the DFS function, I updated my levels of each node. Now how I updated it? First I marked it as visited. Although I had the parent also, but the parent is not required as much. So you can skip that. Now I did it to its child in the graph because of the adjacency list. Then if it is not visited, so I will increase its level by the father plus 1, and I will again call DFS of child. Now from this DFS function, I will have the level of each node. Now I have the level of each node. Now I need to check first of all, I need to check the maximum level and the number of nodes at each level. So the array number of nodes on level, so it will indicate how many number of nodes are on a particular level. So it will store how many number of nodes are at level 0, how many number of nodes are at level 1, how many number of nodes are at level 2, and so on and so forth. And the maximum level, it will check that how much maximum level I am having. So I run my loop from 1 to n, and I will as you know that how we do hashing thing. So I with the help of that, I updated my number of nodes on each level with the help of this, and thus I had my number of nodes at each level. So then I had my answer, which will indicate the number of nodes from the level 2 to the max level, as I showed you here. Then I have this. So what is the chance? It indicates that after you have your play from level 2 to level max level, at the level 1, when the person is going to start, then whose chance will be this? If my chance is 0, so Ashish will have the next chance, which means that at the level 1 Ashish will start, and if my chance is 1, it means that at level 1 Ayush will start. Now, as I clearly said that if my number of nodes at level 1 are 0, it means that I have only one node at the leaf node as the root node. So my Ayush will always be winner. Or as I said that if my number of nodes at level 1 are 1, which means that it's a straight chain kind of thing, then also my root node is a leaf node, still my Ayush is a winner. And then I will check my number of nodes on level 1 minus 1, because I clearly said that, as you can see, I clearly said that the one node which was here, it is not mattering. Actually I know number of nodes in level 1 minus 1 number of nodes. So my number of nodes at level 1 minus 1, if mod 2 is equal to 0, then if my chance, if it means that if Ashish was the player to play next on the first node, so my Ashish is winner. Because it is basically the even and odd conditions, you can basically check yourselves, but I will basically walk you through it. And else Ayush is winner. And similarly, if my number of nodes and level 1 minus 1, it is odd, so if Ashish was the first person to be there on the level 1, so Ayush will be winner, and vice versa for the next thing. So the last condition, as you can see in the else part, the condition this, it is basically on the level 1, the number of nodes. From that you will check how many plus minus you need to do, and at last I will have who was the winner, Ashish or Ayush. So I hope that I was able to explain you everything, and still if you have any doubts, then you can write down below, and I will surely make sure to help you, or to see more such videos. Please hit the like button and see, because if you hit the like button and write down below how you feel, how you felt, it motivates me a lot. Frankly speaking, it motivates me a lot. It brings a smile on my face that I'm able to help someone. And yeah, thank you very much for watching this video, and See you in the next video. Bye.